you want to become a data engineer or a data analyst? If yes, then this video is for you. किसी भी इंटरव्यू को क्रैक करने के लिए यू शुड नो कि उसमें पूछा क्या जाता है, व्हाट टॉपिक्स आर कवर्ड, व्हाट सब्जेक्ट्स आर कवर्ड, डिफिकल्टी का लेवल क्या है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. दिस इज रोहित एंड आई हैव रिसेंटली जॉइन पेटीएम बैंक एज अ डेटा इंजीनियर. तो सोचा आप लोगों के साथ भी अपना इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर दूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉरी फॉर नॉट बीइंग एक्टिव सिंस पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स. काफ़ी कुछ चल रहा था बट थिंग्स आर नॉट सॉर्टेड एंड आई विल ट्राई टू बी कंसिस्टेंट नाउ. सो अगर आप चैनल में नए हो यार तो डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड आई हैव अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू ऑल एट द एंड. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. The first question is how I got the interview call. So recruiter approached me directly via Naukri. So I have cracked around 4 offers and all of them Naukri was common. My Naukri profile was very optimized and it was getting good hits. So in last 90 days during my notice period, I was getting around 5,000 plus recruiter searches, out of which more than 100 plus recruiter messages were there. So I will create a different video on that, like how you can optimize your Naukri profile and all. For this they asked me if I'm interested or not, and if yes, they asked me to share some details like what is my current tech stack, what is my relevant and total experience, my latest resume and some other details. So after a few days I got a confirmation call that my profile got shortlisted and they want to proceed with the first round of interview. So if I talk about the process, then they have total 4 rounds. 2 are pure technical. Third is the manager round, which is again technical plus behavioral round, and fourth is the HR discussion. So in my first round, after a brief introduction, they gave me one DSA question. Like you have a list of integer and you need to print the pairs whose sum is odd. Like the variations on this problem, like how to optimize it, what is time complexity and other stuff. So uske baad I got few theoretical questions on data warehousing, databases, different type of databases, Spark architecture and SQL. After that they gave me a data set and asked me to print the desired output using SQL first and then PySpark. So that SQL covered some basic to advanced questions like some basic joins to some Windows functions, CTEs and other stuff. So for same questions I have to build the logic in PySpark as well. And after that we discussed some scenario based question and that's all in our first round. So next day I got a call that my feedback is positive for the first round and they want to proceed for the next round. So in second round starting मुझे 3 question मिले DSA के that covered some basic sorting, linked list and the famous silent count problem. So after that we again moved to SQL. They gave me some 2 to 3 tables and they asked me some desired output out of it and it was again from medium to advanced level SQL. So after that we moved to some scenario based questions on Spark architecture, Spark optimizations etc. So second round में बस इतना ही था and on the next day I got a confirmation that the feedback is positive and they want to go ahead with the MR round. तो दोनों जो tech round हुए थे starting में they were taken by the senior data engineers in the Paytm bank and the final MR round was taken by the engineering manager at Paytm. So MR round started with again a DSA question. It was like to remove a duplicate from a list and some variations out of it and they want me to solve it in linear time. So we discussed that problem a little bit and do some variations on that. So after that we again moved to 1 or 2 SQL queries. That was simple, I would say simple to medium level SQL queries. And so after that it moved to my current projects, like what was my role, what was my contribution, what I learned out of it and etc etc. Questions from Spark optimization, Spark architecture we discussed in detail and after that we discussed a little bit about the workflow orchestration tools, like what tools I have worked on etc etc. And that was all on the manager round. I would say all 3 rounds are pretty good and challenging in terms of ki question ki diversity and in question ka level, difficulty level from easy to hard. I would say interviewers were very good, like it was a healthy discussion, not just a strict interview. It's a 2-way communication we were doing and they were also guiding me like whenever I was doing a wrong move. So it was very good experience for me as well from the learning perspective. So after some time I got a confirmation from HR that I got shortlisted for this role and they want to discuss the other aspects like the HR round they want to do. HR round, HR asked some cultural fitment questions and after that we did some salary negotiation part because मेरे पास already एक offer था, so I negotiated on based on that. So the next day HR shared a proposed compensation with me as we discussed and then I accepted and I joined Paytm Bank later. So if I talk about the growth and learning opportunities in data engineering field, it is very good. You have a good learning opportunities, good growth and good compensation definitely. So if I talk about the freshers, so freshers can easily get up to 12 based upon their company, based upon their interview experience or interview, how their interview go. So you can easily get up to 12 as a base and let's say I have a 2 years of experience. So at this experience range, you can expect from somewhere between 12 to 16 as a base. So it totally varies with the company to company and how well your interview go. So that's all about the interview experience. Now comes the surprise part. So surprise ये है कि we are very close to 1000 subscribers, and on completion, to celebrate that, I will do 5 mock interviews and 5 resume reviews for the people who are needful. So I'm not saying that I'm an expert in this field, but definitely I have some experience. I have cracked the companies, I have gone through that journey, so I can help or I can share my experience with those people. So for that I am sharing a link in the description. You can find a link or a form in the description. Just fill out that form. मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि उसे फिल्टर करने का बेस्ड ऑन कि किसके पास कम टाइम बचा है प्रिपरेशन के लिए एंड हु नीड दैट मोस्ट. बट या इट कुड बी रैंडम बिकॉज ये बहुत टफ है ऐसे मेंटेन करना. बट या इफ़ वी गेट द लेस काउंट देन आई विल श्योरली ट्राई टू कवर. So if you are preparing for data engineering or data analyst interview roles or a switch, then you definitely can fill out that form and I will reach out to you via mail once we complete the 1000 subscribers. So that's all about the video यार. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई और हेल्पफुल लगी तो इसे शेयर करो अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ जो भी स्विच या फिर इंटरव्यू की प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं डेटा रिलेटेड रोल्स के लिए. एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करो. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.